Artie McYarty here with another one. Check out this new blade I got. Let's remove some gnarly shrubs. Cheap and easy and really quickly. Let's go! Hey folks, in case you're wondering, the tool is by Ryobi and it is a one-handed reciprocating saw. Yeah, that's right. We're going to remove all these bushes with one hand. 18 volts, brushless, and you can have this bad boy for $119, tool only. And if you want to be extra effective, get yourself this 5-pack of Diablo Pruning blades. These particular ones are 9 inches, 5 teeth per inch. And oh boy, let me tell you, they did the job. Links posted for both Home Depot and Ace Hardware for the tool and for the blades.